In this video, I'll show you how to copy and paste on Google Docs. Copying and pasting is one of the most basic things you can do in Google Docs, but it's also one of the most useful. Whether you want to move notes, duplicate a paragraph, reuse a heading, or bring content in from another source, knowing how to copy and paste properly can save a lot of time. First, open your document in Google Docs and find the text you want to copy. Click and drag over the text to highlight it. Once the text is selected, right-click on it and choose Copy. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl and C on Windows, or Command and C on Mac. Now click in the place where you want the copied text to appear. Right-click again and choose Paste. You can also use Ctrl and V on Windows or Command and V on Mac. The copied text will appear exactly where your cursor is placed. If you want to move text instead of duplicating it, you can use Cut instead of Copy. Highlight the text, right-click, and choose Cut or use Ctrl and X on Windows or Command and X on Mac. Then paste it into the new location. Google Docs also gives you different paste options in some situations. For example, if you paste text from a website or another document, it may bring over fonts, colors, links, or other formatting. If you want only the plain text without the extra style, you can use Paste without formatting. Another thing to remember is that copying and pasting can work not only for text, but also for images, charts, and other content inside your document. So that's how to copy and paste on Google Docs. Just highlight the content, copy it, click where you want it, and paste. It's simple, fast, and something you'll use all the time while editing documents. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.